How to add or remove eye tracking widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then in here, tap on the Add button. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then we go to the motor accessibility section and tap on eye tracking, and that will be added to your control center. Now you can drag on the handle to make it smaller, or you can make it larger like that. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to your control center and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you want to quickly access eye tracking, you can pull down the control center to tap on it to turn it on or off. And here's a follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. Here I will tap on it to switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up. Now if you want to delete the control, you can tap on the edit button, then tap on the remove button, and there you will be able to remove the eye tracking control from the control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.